Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on quiet mode in Instagram. First, launch your Instagram app in your mobile device, and on the bottom right corner there's your profile icon. Tap on that, and after that you have to go to the top right corner of three-line icon. Simply select that and select the settings and privacy, which is on the top option. And on the how you use Instagram, there's this option of notifications. Select that, and right after here's in quiet mode option. Tap on that and simply toggle off this option, and you just turned on your quiet mode. You can also choose the days you want to quiet, and also you can start the time and end the time of your quiet mode like this, and tap on the OK. And this is how you can turn on the quiet mode. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.